Denis Villeneuve's Dune successfully portrayed the enormous scale of a complex world based on the 1956 book, and provided a cinematic experience that could be difficult to compare to any other. Even with its stunning cinematography, Oscar-worthy performances, grand wide shots and detailed fictional cultures, one of the most notable aspects of Dune is its sound. The overall slow pace of the film may not be for some, but as tensions increase and conflict arises, you feel the intensity of what is occurring on screen so vividly, you are taken away from your seat and entered into the fictional world. Its effectiveness is apparent, with the contrast of the quiet scenes and silent moments.
How dare you use the voice on me?
Against the unique score that sends your heart racing, as you feel the cinema shake from the otherworldly sounds. Hans Zimmer's work is undoubtedly the top of its kind, but in Dune, he has taken it to another level. In an interview with Vanity Fair, he talks of inventing new sounds, using ancient instruments, finding unique vocalists, and the collaborative effort with his colleagues to create a score unlike any we've ever heard. He stated that when he was younger, he questioned why sci-fi films had European orchestras, and we are able to see from Dune that perhaps the reason his sound is so different is because he is more willing to experiment and stray from the formal usual methods.